Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Regina, and if you're new here, wagwan, go subscribe already. So I'll be doing this beautiful set for you today, and I'll be using the Mia Secret Professional System, and I hope you enjoy the video. First thing you want to do is you want to push the cuticles back because you don't want any dead cuticles or dead skin on the nails, because this will cause lifting. Next thing you want to do is you want to come in with a 100-180 grit file to take the shine off the surface of the nail. This will help with adhesion. The next thing you want to do is you want to come in with your dehydrator, and this is to further take all the oils out of the nail bed. The next thing you want to do is you want to add a primer, and this will cause the acrylic to adhere better to the nail bed. Now is the time you're going to come in with your Mia Secret number 8, and you're going to add a layer of clear Mia Secret to the surface of the nails. So now I'm coming in with this beautiful color called Disco, and I'm going to just feather this down the bed of the nail because I'm going to do an ombre effect. So the other color I'm coming in with is called Sunshine, and I'm just going to sprinkle this on the surface of the nail. I'm not going to cover the entire nail, the top of the nail, because I want it to you'll be able to see through the nail. Next, I'm coming in with the Cover Peach, and here I'm coming in with Galactic, and I'm doing this in an S pattern because I think it would give a nice flavor to this nail. Tell me if you like my design, and I'm gonna add a little gold to the tip also, because every girl needs a little gold in her life. Hey. Surprise, surprise, here comes the sunshine. You know, I have to have a little sunshine because I am an island girl after all. Hello. So here on the pointer finger, I'm coming in with that color again, the galactic, and I'm going to be adding this to the entire surface of this nail. And if I'm saying this name wrong, I am so sorry. I don't mean to butcher the name of this color, but I'm not sure how it is pronounced, so I will just put the name in the description, guys. And wow, what is that? Sunshine. That's right, sunshine again. Yes, you can't have too much sunshine, you know. Vitamin D. Hello. So here I'm coming in with that disco again. I just thought, you know, might as well do it in a pattern since I have it on 2 fingers already. I'm just gonna place it on here, and you know I can't forget about the sunshine, girls. I can't forget about the sunshine. Yeah, vitamin D is very good for you, and it looks good too. So hello, sunshine. So I'm going to be encapsulating all my beautiful creation in a tiny layer of clear acrylic, and you want to make sure that this is perfectly adhered to the surface of the nail. You don't want any lumps and bumps, and you want to make sure you check your cuticle area, make sure that that is nice and smooth and perfect. And that's it for now, guys. Sorry I chatted all through this video, but I wanted to do a voiceover, and I hope you enjoyed my voiceover today, and hope you subscribe if you have not yet subscribed, and give my video a thumbs up, and don't forget, love is everything. Thank you all for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful one. Bye. guys, I know I'm supposed to be using the Mia Secret system, but I can't live without my Poochie Shine. Sorry, I had to use it. It's a lifesaver. I love it.